Alright guys, if you look in the background here, we got the 12 valve Cummins powered monster truck, the American Outlaw. If you guys have saw us in action, it's usually flying through the air like this, or it's cutting some donuts like this. Either way, this thing is building continuous heat when you're on the throttle with this old 12 valve Cummins trying to keep up with all those blown big blocks. Our solution for that this year is nothing other than the Fleece Performance Coolant Bypass. We got a hold of those guys down at Fleece, made right here in Indiana, in the US. Told them what we had been doing with this thing, and they said, hey, we got the product that'll fix your problem. Alright, you guys need to go check out fleeceperformance.com, get you something awesome like this coolant bypass off of there. We're going to put this thing on, rock it out the rest of the year. We'll let you guys know how it does. We hope to see you at an event somewhere.